Welcome to my channel, where I share lots of recipes, tips and business strategies for aromatherapists, reflexologists and other holistic therapists. Welcome to the mini-series, which is all about making 4 easy and effective products that will help your clients, they'll help you, they'll boost your business and give you a nice little cash injection. Today's episode is all about making a lovely relaxing bath oil, and I'm going to cover how to make the bath oil, the benefits of each essential oil I'm going to use, and how to enhance your treatments and boost your business with this blend. To get notifications when I create a new video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, to make a blend, you'll need to have a dark glass bottle or a ceramic bottle, basically anything that will keep away light and heat, because light and heat will interfere with the vegetable oil and with the essential oils in the bath oil. So dark glass bottle or ceramic bottle and a vegetable oil such as extra virgin olive oil, bergamot, lavender and ylang-ylang essential oils. To make this blend, and I'm going to give you the ingredients for an adult, which in aromatherapy terms is anyone who is over the age of 12 years. You will need 7.5 ml, which is 1.5 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 drop each of bergamot, lavender and ylang-ylang essential oils. For anyone who is elderly, frail, anyone who has sensitive skin, for pregnant women, children under the age of 12 years, you would double the amount of extra virgin olive oil. So that is 15 ml or 3 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. So the essential oils are bergamot, which I call the little oil of stress because it's simultaneously calming and uplifting. Lavender, I call the Leonardo da Vinci of essential oils because it is amazing for practically everything. And ylang-ylang, which I call the emotional crutch, fantastic for stress, anxiety, long-term and short-term. So bergamot, simultaneously calming and uplifting. Bergamot is great to use for driving tests or exams when you need to be calm, but you also need to be alert. Bergamot is also antiviral and it boosts the immune system. If you're using bergamot, don't put it on skin that will be exposed to a sunbed or bright sunlight within the next 48 hours. And lavender, the Leonardo da Vinci, it balances the mood and it protects against viruses. It does other things as well by just mentioning the most relevant ones for this recipe. So balances the mood, eases anxiety and depression, and it's antiviral and it boosts the immune system. Don't use lavender during pregnancy, there's an outside chance it could bring on a period. And ylang-ylang, emotional crutch. Ylang-ylang works on the emotional state in a very physical way. It regulates adrenaline, it regulates the breathing rate, and it regulates the heart rate. Ylang-ylang can be quite heady if it's used alone, so it can bring on a bit of a headache if you use it by itself. So, if possible, use it with other essential oils. Also, if you use ylang-ylang on the skin, it can be highly extractive. So if you have a condition like acne, it will actually draw the impurities out through the skin. It'll be better for the skin in the long term, but just be aware that for the short term, it can make a condition look worse. You can use this blend in a bath and you would add 1 or 2 cupfuls of the blend to a bath and soak for 10 to 15 minutes if possible. Add more hot water as required just to keep yourself warm. And as a body oil, you can use it any time, but it's particularly nice directly after a shower. Hop out of the shower, put the oil on. You can do it really quickly. So lovely to use in the morning or just before bed. So how would you use this oil to upgrade your treatments? You can use the blend in a massage if you're an aromatherapist. If you're not an aromatherapist, you could add a drop of each oil to a burner or diffuser in your therapy room. So follow the manufacturer's instructions for a burner or diffuser. For a burner, you'll have water in the well of the burner and you'll add essential oils to that. You could also offer the bath oil as part of a reward or referral scheme. It's a great way to give value and to make your clients feel special, and you're giving them something that's going to be really, really useful, that's really going to help them to feel relaxed. So this is the last product in the series. I hope that you really enjoyed it. You'll find the episodes in the playlist, and if you prefer to read about the products rather than watch, I have the link to my podcast below, to my blog post below, and the blog post also includes the podcast episode and the video. And if you'd like to learn more, if this has got you interested and you want to learn more about making products, check out my Lotions and Potions course. I have the link below for you as well. In that course, you'll learn how to make sugar scrubs, body balms, lip balms, moisturizers, aromatherapy inhalers, nourishing sanitizers and bath bombs. And they are fantastic for yourself, for gifts, and for enhancing your treatment, helping you to create cash injections and helping you to raise your rates without losing clients. There is a cert included, so even if you're not an aromatherapist, you can use the products covered in the course for your clients. You can use them in treatments and you can sell them to clients, so you just have to use the exact recipes. And as I mentioned, if you prefer to read instead, check out my blog post, which also includes the podcast episode and the video. Thanks a million for listening, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.